Hello, beautiful people. We are out here today enjoying the sunshine and the birds and all the wonderful signs of nature entering spring. I am looking forward to some warmth. Today we have another pink package. I apologize because I didn't make a video on my last package and I ended up being the cover girl for March. Thank you, Nadine West. And I got my package for free. This shirt was actually something I got in my bag, but I'll go ahead and post some images of the outfits I got last time. So for today, without further ado, let's see what we got. Can you guys hear that bird? It's quite excited. All right, here's our first little bundle. We have, it's like a floral kimono. That'll be fun. I love soft material. This looks like a super simple gray t-shirt, little pocket detailing, but that'll be adorable. Ooh, I love anything that has this cross stitch. We're kind of crossing over. Another super soft shirt. Excited for that one. What? These leggings are like from the 80s and they're these cool like metallic pink shimmery dance pants. I can't wait to try those on. Let's see what else we got in this bag. Of course, our invoice that has all the prices, and I'll go over that at the end. This looks perfect for spring. I might have a thing for mustard this year. Excited about that one. Be perfect with jeans or a skirt, shorts maybe. I should get more shorts. Our first piece of jewelry, which this is one from my last bag that I absolutely love. It's a crystal that looks all bubbly. This one, ooh, it looks like it adjusts. And it has little crystals and it's gold. I used to stay away from gold, but I'm starting to warm up to it. Thanks to Nadine. Looks like a matching kind of like bracelet. Big hoop circles. It's kind of like costume jewelry, but I think that's in right now. We have everything. We have motorcycles, we have airplanes, birds. It is quite exciting out here. Look at this cute dress. It has zippers on the shoulder. This would be perfect for the 4th of July. I know that's kind of a ways out, but gotta plan for the future. Our last item. Ooh, some more of those harem pants. I was totally digging those in my last bag. I got some animal print ones. I'm sure you saw in the photo. But now is the fun part. You get to try it on. So I'll see you guys soon. Alright, look at this kimono. Fits perfectly with what I'm already wearing. I like the high-low little brass buttons. Goes perfect with mustard. Great for spring. What do you guys think? Keep? Okay, I love this shirt. It is so soft. It fits perfectly. It's kind of like a boyfriend tee, I think is what they call them. But I definitely am keeping this one. Sleep in it. Could wear it to soccer practice, which I'm doing a lot of now that it's spring. It's lightweight, good color. It is one gray. Pocket for looks. We're keeping this one. Alright, So I'll be honest, I thought I was gonna really hate this outfit, but the shirt is super cute. Has this little detailing to it. The bracelet, surprisingly, is awesome because it's magnetic. These glasses are from my last bag. I had to keep them. This necklace is rather cute and it adjusts. These pants, they're interesting. They're super soft, but they're like really baggy, and I feel like they would just slide off as I wore them. But I mean, all in all, it's a pretty badass outfit if you ask me. So kudos to the stylist. These things actually go together. Let's see what's next. Alright, here is the yellow striped top with a little button detailing. It's pretty cute. I feel like I have a few shirts that are like this, but perfect for summer. Goes well with the gold jewelry. Pairs easily with jeans. Definitely need like an undershirt so you don't see all the buttons, little things from your jeans. But yeah, we'll consider it. I'm excited for that dress. Okay, this dress is adorable. I love the little zipper detail. Love the low cutness. Goes great with this necklace and the bracelet. These sleeves are too cute. Check out the back. And it's so cute, and it's like form-fitting but super comfy at the same time. So I think this is definitely a keeper and a win. Alright, I love harem pants. I think that's how you pronounce them. Except these kind of remind me of maternity pants. I like that you can adjust them, but they still feel rather big. It's cute with a crop. I was just kind of doing this so that you could see how much material is here. But yeah, super comfy PJs, that's for sure. And once I get those six-pack abs, I can wear a crop top with it. We can dream, right? Alright, beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed all of that as much as I did. And now the fun part, pricing. So I'm going to go in order this time. I'm trying to get more organized as I make these videos. The first was the floral kimono, which is called Tropical Winds in Navy, and that retails for $17.49. Our second top, which is this super cute gray one, is called the Bella, and that retails for $26.19. Of course it does, because it's so cute and so comfy. Then I have this mauve shirt, which is called the Lindsay, and I tried this on with these super fun sparkle pants, which are called the Elna. These are $11.99 and the shirt is $22.49. After that, we had the yellow striped top. This is called the, I wanted to call it Dothy, but it says Dothy, and that is $26.99. The adorable dress with the zippers that had this cute little detail to it is called the Gianna, and that is $29.99. And the super cute harem pants, which I'm currently sporting because they are oh so comfy, are called the Angelina and are $24.99. The other two items, which were the jewelry, this necklace that slides up and down, the pendant is $29.99, and the bracelet that is silver and gold with some bling bling, that is $15.49. So all in all, I think we got some good items that it's going to be hard to decide what I want to keep. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Take care.